ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my second video. I believe it's the third video. So here what I am planning is I will be using ChatGPT to construct a plan for me. So it's my own idea. So uh, I will show you what I am doing step by step, so that if you want to generate same results, you can have your customized plan ready using the ChatGPT or AI algorithms. So I have already taken down this. One second, I'll just get the camera over here so my picture also comes. I'll just slide it and make it a bit smaller. So yeah, here I have opened the chat GPT and I have logged in as well. So I have already written the prompt. So the prompt is I'll be just pasting it down and I'll explain you while I'm going through it. So in here I'm trying to learn what I have written is I'm trying to learn and improve my English communication. Okay, then I've mentioned here what is my expectation. So I want people to feel very confident, charismatic, smart, energetic, and trustful about me. So while starting to study on my communication, I have made in mind that what is the outcome which I am willing to achieve from here. So I want people to feel that whenever I'm talking with them, I want people to feel that I am very confident, I am charismatic, I'm smart, energetic, and trustful. So this is what I believe the people should feel after talking to me. So this is my end objective, or you can say the main goal uh, of this work which I am doing on myself. So I have after this I have written, I have made some auditory audits. So after, like in my first video, if you will see what I did, like I have I think I was speaking about some of the questions which I had in mind, which I have written by myself, and then I was answering it. So while I was answering it, I recorded a video and I was just listening to the audio initially. So while listening to the audio, I have made some auditory audits of my voice by myself, and I found my rate of speech was not good. So I was just listening to the audio without seeing the video. So uh, at like doing that, I could easily identify where I made the mistake. So I was speaking very slowly. I used lots of filler words and non words. Pause was not clear. I lacked I lacked with the selection of word and repetition, and also repeated the word. Repeated the words like probably and I think. So I have written this was what I did, my mistakes. So I have asked ChatGPT that you are an expert at communication and communication mastery and English speaking confidence coach. So I want ChatGPT to think like he it is an expert, and you are teaching the top 1% people in the world, and your job is to guide me become one of them. It may be I may have written in a very broken English, which is not very easy to understand, but I think this AI will understand the gist of what I am talking over here. So I have asked ChatGPT to give me a 365 days plan breakable into weeks and days. So it will give me a plan in the output where I will be getting a 365 days plan, which will be breakable into weeks and also days. So I was what I initially planned, that I will be making a YouTube video based on whatever I am achieving. So I have also written extra line. You if you want to make a YouTube video, you can add this as well, or else you can skip it. So I have also written that also give me a YouTube video guide where I am recording each day and tracking my communication process with my audience. which can help others later who is going to watch my videos. I understand that there is lots of grammatical mistake. If I want, I can, what I can do is fix the prompt and give me a better prompt based on my above prompt. Yeah. So I have asked ChatGPT to fix it and restructure it and give me a better prompt. So it has given me improved prompt. I want to speak, I want to master English communication and develop speaking styles, makes me a confident, charismatic, intelligent, energetic, and a trustworthy from very first interaction. Currently I notice challenges in my speed. So these are the challenges which it has taken. You are an expert, communication mastery broken into weeks, improved rate of speech. My okay, so it has given me a perfect prompt. So what I'll do is I will copy it and also would you like me to now create 1 second? I'll just delete it here, this part. And 1 minute, you got it. I will also delete this part. So I look after once what is there in the YouTube portion. Content guidelines for YouTube videos log. Want to record each day week by following these. Each day I want to do it. So I'll remove the week section by following this. I want to, so that, yeah, this is the perfect prompt what you can try as yourself as well. So this, oh shit, okay. So what I'll do is I'll just take go into a new chat, I'll paste it and I'll complete it over here. So it has given me a 365 day communication mastery plan. I'm sorry the video is going a little bit longer. So it has given me a 365 days plan. So daily time needed is 40 to 60 minutes, Monday to Friday focus drill, YouTube blogs, real practice, yearly roadmap, quarterly roadmap for YouTube videos. So I don't want to increase the video length, or maybe I will update this video in two steps. So for now I'll just stop and upload this video, and then in the next video I'm going to update you like what are the plans which I am figuring out. So even I can create a Excel sheet or somewhere where we can update what is my progress day by day, and then most probably I'm repeating this word again. So by the next week we can discuss, like we can I can, for myself I can see like what are the things I'm going to practice in here. So I think that's it for today. Thank you for being here with me if you have watched this video. So thank you so much guys. Good night. Bye.